Want to sound smarter in 20 seconds? Zoom in on today's word, perspicacious. Bold and bright, pop animation. Pronunciation, perspicacious, perspicacious. Watch the syllables bounce. Definition, having keen insight or the ability to notice and understand things quickly and clearly. Animated highlights on keen insight. Example sentence, the perspicacious detective solved the case with just a few clues. The word lights up as it's spoken. Use this word today. Follow for daily words and keep your vocabulary sharp.